Hi guys, welcome back to Thursdays with Jess. We are going to be talking about interest rates today. I know interest rates, everyone's talking about it. And you're going to see different interest rates online, different interest rates from different lenders. Why does my bank offer this rate and why are you offering this rate and I see this rate online? Um, there's a ton of things that go into rates. I get asked quite frequently, what's your rate? There is not just one rate. Every single customer is going to have a plethora of rates available to them. There may be sometimes everybody's need is very different. Sometimes you need help with closing costs. You may be able to take a rate that offers you a lender credit. There may be off you may want to buy down your rate to get your mortgage payment just a little bit lower. Maybe the cost of that rate is not going to equal as much monthly savings as you thought. And so maybe it's not worth it for you to pay to buy down that rate. Right now, in our rate environment that we're currently in, we know that in the term of inflation is causing our rates to go up. But at some point, inflation is going to go down, and you're going to want to be able to take advantage of those lower rates. So it's important to think about your short term, but also long term. So, yes, the lowest rate may always seem like the best option. It may not be the best option for you right now because you want to be able to take advantage of a lower interest rate maybe in a year or 2 years or 6 months. Whatever that case is for you, it's going to be it's going to be important that we take the time to really dig into what your goals are, short term and long term. The other thing to know is interest rates are going to be different depending on the loan program that you choose, how much money you're putting down, what is the term of your mortgage? Are you looking at a 15-year, a 10-year, a 30-year, a 40-year? The longer the term of the mortgage, the higher the rate is. How long do you need to lock your rate for? That's the one thing that a lot of people don't realize. If you need to lock your rate for a longer period of time, it's going to cost a little bit more in points for the same rate. So a 30-day interest rate lock is different than a 90-day or a 120-day. So if you're in new construction, it's really important to know that. So sit down with your lender, sit down with me, and let's talk about what rates mean to you and what you want short term and long term, so that we can make sure that we're finding the best balance for you when it comes to interest rates. Interest rates are not one size fits all. There's not one rate available for everyone, and everyone's unique situation is going to dictate a rate available for you. So that's the skinny on rates. If you want to talk about rates, give me a call or shoot me a DM. I'd be happy to talk through those with you. Thanks. Have a great week, guys. See you next week.